how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing very well. I think from the look of my excitement, you can guess I'm heading somewhere. Yes, guys. Don't worry, I'm inside my house, hence no mask. We're going on a staycation with my friends. Wait, it's too loud. We're going on a staycation. It's my husband's birthday tomorrow, and we're going with my school friends. Like, we're about 8 people, including us, who are going on a staycation to ITC Grand Bharat, which is about 1.5 hours from Delhi. So I've never been to this property, so of course I'll take you guys around. I've heard it's really grand and royal, and it's really nice. So I'm also looking forward to our stay. We're going there for 2 nights along with 3 more couples, and the kids are not going along. We've actually left Seher home, so yes, there won't be any Seher in this holiday. It was actually a 1 night plan, but we thought 1 night is going to be very less to enjoy, so we extended it to 2 nights. So we are leaving now, and we're taking a drop to a friend's place who lives nearby, and then we'll go in their car. I'm ready. I'm wearing my denims, Zara top. I'm all Zara today. Casual, comfy travel wear for like a 2-hour drive. So yes, today is Friday, 23rd of July, and we're going there for 2 nights. We'll be back Sunday. I made plans for my daughter. Every time I leave her back, I make sure I make some plans for her. So of course, she's going to be going to her nanny's place and enjoy with her cousin and just have fun. This is the first time I'm traveling with my school friends, guys. I always usually travel with either one of my childhood best friend or my husband's friends, but we've actually never made a plan with my school friends, and these are friends from childhood. Like, I've grown up with them. I've known them since KG, so you can imagine it's going to be really special, and I'm super excited for this trip. And of course, we'll bring in my husband's birthday tonight. Come along with me to ITC Grand Bharat, guys. So guys, we've reached Grand Bharat, just entering. It's quite huge. So guys, we've reached, and before we check in, we're actually going to have lunch because it's 2:30 and we're really hungry. So we're heading to the ballroom to have lunch, and then we'll check in. What is this now?
Looks like a banquet converted.
Yeah. Because
so is this a banquet or
this is a
distance?
To have lunch now. They've actually converted a banquet into a restaurant to ensure distance and safety standards. Soup, some salad. What do you have here?
It's a chat counter.
Okay. So, nice. Chat. Hi, what do you have here? Roti. Paratha. Okay. What is this?
Chicken stew, veg stew.
Okay. This is Oriental. It's quite a big spread, and they've actually kept these shields to ensure distance and safety because of COVID. So there's lots of stuff. Indian gatte ka saag, Rajasthani curry, korma, salan. Oh, that's a lot of stuff, guys. Continental. Hi, what do you have here? Pizza? No.
This one.
What is this?
This is ma'am quesadilla. Quesadilla ma'am.
Oh, quesadilla. Okay. Very nice. Mexican counter also, guys. And meatha. Oh my god. Diet goes for a toss here. This is the dessert studio. That's it. I'm gonna eat now, guys. Actually, so many cuisines in a plate. Malabar paratha, pasta, Chinese, some salad. Hi, Sam.
Hi, what's up?
What's up? Hi, Sandy.
Hi.
ऐसे लग रहा है जिंदगी ना मिले तो समीर लुकिंग लाइक फरहान अख्तर he looks like Hrithik Roshan yeah with you
Never seen her, right? White.
Yeah.
he's so cute
Is this a golden retriever? White. Wow. How cool. So cute.
They're very short.
Yeah. Hi, guys.
see you
Okay, Sam.
बताती हूँ evening it will be nice
Yeah, dude. Lots of place to.
these are the rooms
These are the. Oh.
यहीं पे ना
Oh, that's
you will
it.
see the food
Wow. How many rooms do you have here?
100 sweets.
100 suites. Okay. Nice.
हमारे
Like a whole village.
4 room
Yeah.
अलग भी तो होंगे ना
Full block.
नहीं
हाँ.
हमारा पूरा ब्लॉक
Humpy. Switch on the light. Yeah, but where is it overlooking what? So this is the living room. This is the bedroom.
Amazing stretch on your hamstring.
Okay, some yoga going on. Kissing. Nice tub. And this is the amazing pool. Our pool is just big. This is the pool. Oh, nice. So we have 2 pool rooms in the ground floor and 2 are upstairs. 2 of my friends. 2 of our friends are going to be upstairs with the gazebo and stuff. So guys, I just gave you like a quick room tour. So basically this is a full block. So one block has about 4 rooms, and since we are 4 couples, we took like the full block. 2 rooms upstairs and 2 rooms downstairs. And the 2 rooms downstairs are the, I think, the luxury suites which overlook the pool. It's super green and super nice and palatial actually. We're just checking in. We've had our lunch. It's 4 p.m. and we feel like going to the pool straight away, but we've just had lunch, so we'll obviously take some time before we do that. But that was the room tour. A small, very small lobby actually. The 2 rooms upstairs are also, I think, the same size, but one of them has like a gazebo, sort of an outdoor concept, so we'll go and see that. So vacation begins. It's lush greenery here. It's amazing. Lots of things to do here. I think the spa is closed. But this is how there are lots of common areas. There's lots of. It has a really grand feel to it, guys. Quite like it. Welcome. This is the living room.
Is that the view?
This is the bedroom. This is nice, guys. This is my room. That was my friend's room. This is a beautiful, cozy bedroom with a dressing area. Wow, I like this. I'm wearing a basic Zara jeans and a Zara t-shirt. So this is the living area, and best part is the view. I'll show you guys the washroom later, but I need to show you the pool view. Oh. Okay, so this is the beautiful pool view from my room. Yep, this is gonna be fun. So beautiful. Look at the greenery, guys. So yes, this is the living room. So this is the washroom. Tub. And yeah, okay, the dressing room is connected here. Back here. Oh gosh, guys, I've eaten so much. That goes for a tour. So it has that kind of a sitting area that even Uday Vilas had. So very royal sort of a feel to this. And yes, that is my room tour, guys. This I'll let you guys know. I think this is the luxury suite which is overlooking the pool. बहुत कुछ है, मैं ये देख रही हूँ. That's the main pool, guys. I know.
These are going to be 8-room block.
So this is the 4-room block. This is our pool.
Last when we stayed here.
And I'm gonna show you our private gazebo. This is so cool. We definitely gonna chill there. If it wasn't this hot, how nice. So this is the place where you can be. This property is huge, guys. This is my view right now. Time to get into the pool straight away. It's super hot, and you know our room is like the hub for everyone because obviously it's the boys' room, and we're just chilling. I changed into this really nice, easy breezy dress, of course from Zara. It's like no nonsense. It's such a beautiful day, guys. Thank God it's not raining. I'm not a rain person. My hair go for a toss. But yeah, the music is on, and we are gonna get into the pool now, guys. Time. It's been 2-3 hours and we've just been in our private pools, guys, just chilling. That's the thing about this property. Every room has their private pool, so you're safe and you have your private area. Hey guys, so we've had a crazy pool time, all of my friends and us. 2 more of our friends are going to join in now, and we're just chilling in the room. I showed you guys they've converted a banquet into a restaurant area so that the restaurant space and the seating is well spaced due to COVID. So we're actually going to stay in this enclosure only and not go really out anywhere because we don't want to expose ourselves to any people. Relaxing with friends, eating lots of hummus and pita. We carried that from home, and it's about 7 p.m. We'll bring in my husband's birthday.
इसकी बारी है. Not a brain.
Good morning, guys. So we're heading for breakfast and we're super late in my PJs. It's a nice day actually. There's no sun today. It seems like it's gonna rain. Today's day 2 in ITC Grand Bharat, and we went for breakfast. Breakfast was okay. Honestly, when you have like, we took like an all meal inclusive package, and you know, repetition of so much of buffets, it's a little too much and too much food, especially when you're on a health trip, and there were kachoris and puri aloo and whatnot. Anyway guys, it's about 12 o'clock. Our room is like the chilling out, so everyone's just sitting. And I'm gonna get ready. I have a few shoots to do, honestly, in this property. It's such a grand property that I can't like not shoot, and I've got some really beautiful outfits that I really want to shoot here. I actually spoke to the front office manager and told her that I'm a blogger and I want to shoot. So she was kind enough to tell me that she'll send me a buggy, will take me around. It's so hot. But yeah, the rest of the day is obviously we're just gonna chill, all of us. So we slept at like 5:30 a.m. guys. So yeah, the pool is nice and fresh. So we'll head to the pool, of course. But yesterday we did too much pool. I went into the pool at 2 a.m. last night. So yeah, there's a golf course here in the property. The manager said they'll actually arrange a tour for us of the golf course. Let's see if we all go or not. Obviously the male pool is right there, but it's closed. But this pool is like good enough for us 8 people. Wow, fresh croissants.
Butter croissant.
Butter croissant. The pool made my hair so frizzy. This is the state of my hair. I'm just gonna get ready. Everyone is in the pool again, guys. I don't want to get into the pool. It's so tiring at times. I'm gonna do some basic skincare. This time I only got this size of a pound. Usually I carry 2. I've only got this much, which is an achievement for me. I didn't get too much. Cream. A friend of mine is actually waiting, one of my best friends. She's actually waiting because I want her to shoot for me. And then we chill. Just some oil. I literally brought 2 things, moisturizer and oil. Sunscreen. Is ready, guys. I've done my hair, I've done my makeup. And this is how I got my jewelry this time. These would look nice. Hey guys, afternoon time. I actually did complete a really nice shoot. I showed you guys that outfit from a band called Swish Boss, and they sent me a really grand outfit that I really wanted to shoot in this grand location because it's a really pretty. I'll share some pictures here with you guys, but the pictures came out really nice. We called for a cart and we just told him to take us to the best spot in this resort, and we just shot some really nice pictures. I even shot in this outfit. This is a very cute H&M dress that I'm wearing because it's chill time. The boys are in the pool chilling and the girls are getting ready. I got my shoot out of the way before we start actually. Enjoying with friends, you know, it's actually not a great idea to mix work with holiday, but you know, when you come to such nice locations you feel like shooting, otherwise you don't get the time or the right locations to shoot. So now it's chill time. We'll play sequence again and just relax. I just wanted to show you guys this amazing track set. We are chilling in the pool and the girls are basically sitting poolside, and I'm wearing this amazing tracksuit set from the Loom. It's from their Pista collection and it's so comfortable. I love it, guys. Pizzas. Pastas, I think. Yeah. Two pizzas.
Pastas and pizzas in this.
Okay, can I see one of them? Ooh, risotto. Spaghetti.
And penne white sauce.
Penne white sauce. Ooh, yummy, yummy.
This is another.
Guys,
आप खोल के वीडियो बना रही है मैडम
And this is this.
बढ़िया. और लास्ट खोलना. Very nice. Awesome. एक पिज्जा भी खोल के दिखा दो.
I'm gonna show you. Garlic bread made.
Woo! Sorry? Woo! Bye.
Come on, girls. You want that?
I've been moving calm, don't start trying.
AJ.
Trying to keep it.
Full time, guys, again. Okay, had a crazy pool time. The last 3-4 hours have been all about the pool, and I just want to show you these amazing pants. I got this from this store in Promenade. It's called the House of Fete. There's a lot of ads that are going on right now. It's grey color and I love them. I'm wearing these matching padded sliders from Zara, which I really like. Topped it up with this basic Zara t-shirt, black color t-shirt, and this is my attire for the evening because we're gonna order in the food. 2 more friends from school also joined in, another couple friend of us, so we were 10 of us now, and just have had the most amazing day. My husband has been, it's his birthday today, right? Oh yeah, guys, it's couple's birthday today, and he's been in the pool since morning. All the boys have been in the pool since I think 11:30, and it's like almost 8 o'clock and they're still in the pool, and they still come out, go to the washroom, go back to the pool. It's been a really good stay. The service is slow for sure, guys, I have to say. I mean, we've had a really tough time. Every request has taken a lot of time. Food is okay, I would say, or maybe because of COVID times. Today the chef was really nice. We met the head chef and said we don't want to eat that buffet food like back to back every day. He sent us Italian food, which I showed you guys. Now we'll chill, we'll play sequence, have dinner, just relax. It's gonna be a late night again. Good morning, guys. How are you guys? So it's today we check out from our stay. We've had our 2-night stay at the ITC Grand Bharat. Had so much fun. Yesterday, after the middle of the day, I forgot that I was actually vlogging this trip, but there was not much to show you guys. It was just me and all my school friends. We were just having fun all through. We slept at 6 a.m., danced so much. It was crazy, and my room was the hub. So it's a crazy mess. We played cards, we played sequence, and just we sang so many songs, so many stories. So it was absolutely amazing. It's about 12:30. We missed the breakfast, of course. We've requested them for a late checkout. We'll actually wrap this up and move to the upstairs room and chill for like a couple of hours and then leave. Yesterday, both the main meals, we called it in the room, and we didn't go to the restaurant also. We said, we don't want to come in. While the tables are at a very good distance and stuff, but still, just to minimize the exposure. And it's annoying to wear the mask. So we actually had all our meals in-house and we ordered whatever we want to. The chef was very nice. The food was sent to our room last evening. I didn't even show you guys how much food we ate. We had pakoras, we had paneer tikka, chicken tikka, whatever. I'm vegetarian. Me and my husband are the only vegetarian lot in this group. Everyone else is a non-vegetarian, by the way. But yes, guys, it was amazing. Woke up really late. I've taken a shower now, and yeah, just gonna pack up and move to the upstairs room. I love the property. It's grand. It's beautiful. And the fact that, the pool is private and the rooms are nice and good sized, comfortable. So it was absolutely amazing. Ready to check out, guys. I'm wearing this Zara jeans, Zara top. Gosh, this combination is my most comfortable and favorite. But yes, ready to check out now. Thank you, guys. I hope you like this video. Checking out, guys.
ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरी सीक्वेंस है।
मेरा पागल हो रही है। Finally leaving, it's evening time guys. We checked out at 3 but we were sitting at the bar. The bar is actually quite nice. Played some more sequence and now we're heading home. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. So I wanted to actually conclude this vlog. We are home. We got home like about at 8 because we left at about 6:30. We literally were there almost all day. Anyway, unpacking, getting all the stuff out of the way, but back home and really happy because some holidays are such that what matters more is the company of people you're with, and I was with the people I've grown up with, some of the people who I grew up with, so some of my closest friends. So it was really nice, and it's best when the spouses also get along. It's always fun when the spouses also get along, everyone's wives and everyone's husbands also get along. Then the group becomes more fun. 2 nights of endless fun. So most people actually go there for 1 night because it's just 1.5 hours from Delhi. But I really feel that 2 nights is important to literally stay and enjoy a stay. Like it feels like a staycation. 1 night I feel is not enough. Just one feedback guys, I really feel the food could have been better. That really is something that I really feel that our food experience was okay. It wasn't the best, when you stay at such a grand property, your expectation of food is also like top notch. But the fact that they had that buffet thing, it was a little okay, or maybe because we took like an all meal inclusive package, which maybe is not a great idea because then you're again having soup, starters, and that whole spread that I showed you guys, and sometimes it just gets too much. So maybe just the food bit, I feel maybe if we would have just ordered the a la carte, like we had their club sandwich and it was amazing. So yeah, I feel if we would have had a la carte only, would have been better. Rest, of course, the property is beautiful. I shot some really beautiful pictures guys. Please make sure you follow me on Instagram because by the next few days, I must have already started, I will be sharing a lot of amazing pictures and shots from this property. Start afresh. Tomorrow is Monday. Lots of work, lots of pending work. I have lots of things to shoot, edit. I really hope you like this video. The property is really beautiful guys. It is worth a visit. You can go for 1 night also. It's gonna be good. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye.